This is Bali. Known for its beautiful landscapes and clear blue waters. But there is also one thing you should not miss, and that's learning how to cook. Today, I take you through a cooking class in Sanur, the eastern part of Bali. This is Chef Mudana, and today he will be teaching us 9 different Indonesian dishes. So let's start. Dish number 1, Bumbu Kuning, or the yellow paste. Step 1 is to grind down all the ingredients. Step 2. Add oil to pan on low heat, then add the bay leaf and kaffir lime leaf. Step 3. Add the ground ingredients and cook for 13 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare our next dish, the peanut sauce. Step 1. Grind or blend the first 5 ingredients. Step 2. Put all ingredients in the pan except for the kaffir lime. Simmer for 10 minutes. Finally, add the lime juice. The peanut sauce can be used as a dip. Dish number 3, Kare Tahu Tempe. Step 1. Cut the tofu and tempeh into cubes and deep fry in cooking oil. Next, put in all ingredients including the yellow paste we made earlier into a pot. Cook over medium heat for 10 minutes, add coconut milk and simmer for another 5. Dish number 4, Soto Ayam. Step 1. Prepare the chicken stock. Add in all ingredients, season with pepper, salt, and lime. Simmer for 10 minutes. Prepare the condiments in a soup bowl and pour in the soup when ready. Dish number 5, Pepes Ikan. Step 1. Cut fish fillet into cubes. Season fish with lime, pepper, salt, and yellow paste. Next, place the fish along with the rest of the ingredients onto the banana leaf. Fold into a parcel and secure with the toothpick. Cut off the ends for a nicer look. Grill for 10 minutes on each side. Dish number 6, Sate Ayam. This dish is simple. Cut the chicken into cubes and marinate with the ingredients, except for the peanut sauce. Then place 3 pieces of chicken onto each skewer. Grill for 7 to 10 minutes on each side. Dish number 7, Kolak Pisang. Step 1. Slice banana into pieces. Place the banana, water, salt, and palm sugar into a saucepan. Simmer for 10 minutes. Thicken the mixture with corn flour and 5 tablespoons of water. Dish number 8, Pergedel Jagung. Step 1. Combine all ingredients except for the cooking oil. Stir well. Next, heat the cooking oil over medium heat. Place a spoon of sweet corn mixture into the cooking oil and fry until golden brown. You can also pan fry it if you prefer. For the dip, mix sweet soy sauce, hot chili, and lime juice. And for the last dish, Gado-Gado. Step 1. Prepare boiled water and add salt. Blanch the long beans and carrots for 2 minutes. Strain. Next, blanch the white cabbage and spinach for 1 minute. Then add the bean sprouts for just 10 seconds and strain. Deep fry the tahu and tempeh and arrange everything on a plate. Season with peanut sauce and shallots. You can arrange it however you like. And when you're done, it's finally time to eat.
Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this format? Is there something else you guys want to see? This is my first time doing a narration video. And of course, I will continue to create more of these videos. The goal of these videos is to show you a little bit of what I've been doing while I'm traveling. Some of the activities I've been doing, some of my challenges and difficulties. And with that said, if you want to follow along, subscribe to my channel, follow my blog, Instagram, my Facebook page. I will link all those in the description below. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.